My name is Doreen Edwina O. I'm a final year electricals and electronics engineering student at ACity University. Last semester, my team and I worked on a project in a course we took, Industrial Automation and Robotics. The problem we're trying to solve is that in traditional packaging industries, packaging and placing of bottles are usually handled by human beings. Now, this is inefficient because when workers work over long periods of time, it can lead to products being damaged, it can lead to errors and also delays in the production process as a result of fatigue. Now, to solve this problem, we came up with an automated robotic arm and conveyor belt system. This is how the system works. The robotic arm system was made up of laser-cut metal sheets which form the structural frame, as well as welded pipes. Now, the robotic arm system was also controlled by a microcontroller and a number of servo motors controlling the degrees of freedom of the system. It receives a signal from a proximity sensor on the conveyor belt system, and once it is triggered, it moves to pick the bottle and then places it in a container.
During this project, our team faced a lot of challenges. Some of the challenges were getting funds on time, but with this, we sought to work with what we have and control what we can control. That is sourcing things locally and trying to change the design to fit what we had at a certain point in time.
Another challenge we faced was when the team spirit went down. However, as a project lead, I decided to encourage the team and then keep the team focused on completing the project. Our biggest aha moment was when we finally got the robotic arm system working together with the conveyor belt. As I mentioned before, there was a proximity sensor on the conveyor belt which was meant to detect objects or bottles. We spent a number of weeks trying to troubleshoot why the signal from the proximity sensor wasn't being sent by the robotic arm. And then after we got it working, it was a very exciting moment for the entire team. This project taught me a lot about how to apply theoretical concepts into a real-world problem. And it was very exciting for me to handle a team of 11 students as a project lead. Thank you.